welcome back to Country Views. I have another great recipe for you guys today. It is called Enchilada Day. Now that's not the real name, but it is enchiladas. And it is my version of my enchiladas called roasted green chili fried chicken enchiladas. And I will also be showing you what I'm going to be pairing it with today as well. So let's get started. So over here, I have fried chicken tenders that I just chopped up about yay big and thinly sliced a whole onion. And I just kind of stirred it together in here. Now in this container, you're going to take whatever green chili sauce of your choice, okay? I like this kind. It is this brand right here, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crack this open and I'm gonna put this whole jar down inside of this chicken. Like so. Okay, guys? Now, you're going to take your spoon and you're going to stir it up like this. Okay? Make sure you evenly coat it all with your spoon, all right? Now, for newcomers, thank you for visiting our channel. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you will know when we upload new videos. And thank you, Country View Juniors, for being part of this family as well. All right, so once that is fully incorporated together like this, okay? It's gonna look like this, all right? You guys see that? And it smells so great in here. So I'm gonna set this to the side and I'm gonna come over here. I have a pan over here heating up on medium heat. And let me actually bring you guys closer here. I have a cast iron skillet here heating up. And what you're gonna do is, depending on what size your family is, okay, you're gonna just real quick throw your corn tortilla in, let it cook for a minute, flip it over like so. And then you want to take this and throw it right in your container. So I'm going to continue doing this. And once these are all done, I will show you how to assemble it. All right, guys. So I did about 10 corn tortillas. It's just me and my hubby tonight. So I figured I'd just make us a few apiece with some sides to go with it and have a nice little quiet dinner. So I cooked them in a little bit of oil here, and I'm just gonna set these to the side, okay, for a dipping station, okay? All right, so now, whatever you have left in your sauce container, you want to get your little can of salsa verde, any brand you want. We like this brand. And you're going to dump it in here with what's left of your container here, okay? And you just want to put probably a 1/4 cup of water in here to kind of thin it out a little bit. Now, keep in mind too, save what oil you have left in your pan, because if you're making rice, that's the best oil to use, is your leftover oil that you cooked your tortillas in. So now I've shaken it up and I made me a green enchilada sauce. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make me a little dipping station here. So I dumped me some of that in here, okay? And I'm actually gonna go ahead and put these to the side over here. They're kind of in my way. All right, so now you want to dip. okay, in your sauce like this. Just kind of dip it around, okay? And then move that to the side. Go to your next one, do the same thing, okay? Now, what you want to do is you want to take some of your chicken mixture and put it inside your enchiladas, okay? You can make them as thick as you want or as thin as you want. We like them thick around here, so we're just gonna go ahead and just fill them up, okay? And if you drop some onions or whatnot, just leave it alone, pick them up, throw it back in. Now, your next step is cream cheese. So you just want to take about this much and do it 2 times and put it right inside your enchilada, like so, okay? And same goes to here. All right, so now that you've gotten your cream cheese in there, which I'm telling you guys, let me stop right here for a minute, okay? Cream cheese makes your sauce creamy. Do not leave the cream cheese out. It is amazing. And if you're on the keto diet again, you can have as much cream cheese as you want. Okay, so there's that. Now you can use any brand of any brand of shredded cheese, or if you want to shred your own, you can. We got this brand this time, excuse me. I'm kind of tongue twisted today. I've been down sick. So you just want to put as much cheese as you want. All right, now here's the fun part. Make sure your hands are nice and clean, and if you have rings on that you don't want to get dirty, take them off. I'm okay because I know how to do it without getting my rings messy. Take your corner like this, and it's gonna be tuck and roll. Tuck and roll, guys, tuck and roll. All right, so that one's tucked and rolled. Now I'm gonna tuck and roll this one, and you wanna just move it all next to each other like this. Okay, guys? So I'm gonna continue assembling these, and then when I'm done assembling these, then I will show you the next step. All right, guys, so my tortillas kind of fell apart, but I still made it work. Now what you want to do is take your leftover sauce and kind of just dump it right on top, okay? Like this. And take whatever spoon you like, or if you have a favorite kind of ladle, you can do that as well. Okay. Now once you get it all spread around, here's the next step. If you have any of this fried chicken onion mixture left over, don't waste it, guys. Don't waste it, okay? I have all this, so just throw it right on top. All it does is makes it kind of like a casserole. That's okay though. It's still all gonna taste the same. And kind of just throw it around here, spread it around. Not throw it around, guys. We don't want a food fight in the kitchen now. Now, doesn't that look good, guys? All right, so the next step, guys, is take whatever cheese you got left and just go right on top. Now, I used a 8-ounce bag just for me and my husband. So it's an 8-ounce bag per every 10 enchiladas. Now, if you want it cheesier, then you can use a bigger bag. That's absolutely fine. It will not ruin the flavor of it. All right, so this is what it looks like, guys. I'm gonna pop this in my oven that I have preheating at 350 for about 45 minutes. If your stove gets super hot, then go a little bit less time. Check in at about 30, And then if it still needs to go a little bit longer, do it for another 10 to 15. That makes it about 45 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this in my oven. And when it's done, I will show you what we're pairing with. And we will have a taste test. All right, guys. See you in a bit. All right, guys. So it is done. And I have a big surprise for you. I'm going to be taste testing today. I'm the only one here recording myself, so I'm going to show you what this looks like, you guys. Does that not look divine? And then we have some sliced up lime and some sliced up fresh cilantro. And then over here, we have my Spanish rice that I made. Now, I did show you guys how to make it in another video, so be sure to tune in to that. Alright guys, so what I'm going to be doing, and let me just adjust myself here. I'm going to go ahead and scoop it out, and then we will have a taste test. So, let's just focus you guys over here. And I'm going to take my handy dandy plate here. And I'm just going to take my spoon or spatula, whatever you guys prefer. And I'm just going to actually cut it in half here, kind of like a casserole. Now, if your tortillas didn't fall apart, then you are in luck, guys. But look at all that fried chicken and green sauce and whatnot. So then what you want to do next is come over here and get you some rice, or whatever you want to make comfortable for your home. If you don't want rice, that's fine. You can do it with the side salad, keto friendly, carb friendly. Leave the rice out and you can do a salad, or you can do a little bit of brown rice and just make it yours. Make it your enchilada style. So now you want to take you a little lime here. I'm actually going to put on this side, make it look pretty for you guys. And throw you a little cilantro on top. And doesn't that look pretty, guys? It is gorgeous. All right, so now we are ready for a taste test, guys. So let me set this down and adjust you guys back here. Uh-oh. You guys ran away there for a minute. All right, guys, so I have my plate of food here. Doesn't that look divine? So I'm gonna start with the enchiladas, and I'm just gonna take my lime and just squeeze it right over the top of my enchilada and my rice. And then I'm gonna set it to the side. It is messy, it will squirt on you. All right, so look at that, guys. Want a bite? You know you do. All right, I'll take it for you. So good, guys. So much flavor. Very spicy. So I hope you like spicy. Telling you, this is amazing. So now a bite for the rice. You see it's steaming, it's nice and hot. That rice goes perfectly with that. Yummy. Let me take another bite for you guys. This is so good, guys. It is a meal definitely fit for a king and a queen. If you have a special someone and they like Mexican food, Spanish food, whatever you want to call it, make it yours. They will love this, guys. I gotta take another bite. Amazing, guys. So, on that note, I am starving. I'm going to finish eating. And then I'll probably have a little more when my hubby gets home. So, thank you for visiting Country Views. Stay tuned. We have an upcoming surprise coming up. And hopefully, you guys will enjoy it.